So today we're gonna wet sand and buff. If you can see, let me get my light. If you can see, the paint is really tiger stripey, and that's actually not the clear coat, that's actually the base coat underneath. So eventually we're just gonna have to repaint the whole thing. But for now, if you come over here, I already wet sanded and buffed this one. It does look a lot better than the rest of them. It's definitely not as bad, but you can still definitely see the unevenness of the base coat. So for now, we're just gonna wet sand and buff it so that we can put it on the car, so that it's at least semi-presentable. But in the future, we're gonna have to, scuff it all up and then re-base coat it. For now, this is what we're doing.